Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer, it doesn't matter, and find the contact which you'd like to customize and tap on it. Then let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and tap on add picture. So here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. Here in the device photos we can enter our own gallery and set our own photo as a contact photo. We can immediately open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, where we've got our backup photos, Monogram, so we can use either the first or the first letter of name or the surname, or both. It's up to you. You can enter it here manually, and you can change the background, the font. Here you've got also the emojis, so you can just set that, something like that, monochromatic option, totally up to you. And you have to simply tap on the circle to change the emoji. I forgot to say that. And here we've got also illustrations, which are free of charge, and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo and you're not the biggest fan of the monograms or emojis, you can try to find something here. Usually we've got a lot of interesting illustrations, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to find something which is really really nice and fun to use, I would say. Maybe those glasses. So just tap on the specific option. Here in those illustrations you've got also the presets, so you can choose something which is the best. No matter whether you will choose the illustration or your own photo or take a photo, you will be able to crop it. So you can zoom it in or out. You can change the position of the photo. You can also change the size of this highlighted circle. And thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to, and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.